For today's update, I work on with HEMS and I fixed the issue with the inconsistency of data inside the dashboard. So let's take a look, for example, and fetch some data from December 2024. And inside the active student per grade, we can see that the students' information are now fixed and working properly. That's one thing that I checked. So what I did is that I fixed the join method, the query, and added some information where the student infos are not null, the user activity is 1 or active, and I changed from left join to use join instead and fix the issues for the student info. Now, another thing that I did is that I fixed the issue in the user list. So if we go here and check on the user list, we can see that the content, the total number here in manager is now the same with the total number that we have here with the table. So before, this was having some issues with the total number from the header or from the card summary, and it's not the same and reflected on the table. Another thing that I fixed aside from that one is the exporting. So inside the exporting, when we export, for example, an employee or a student, so there's a difference. So inside the export, so for student, when we export, this is the student information, and for the employee, when we export them, we can see the position here and then the employment type, contract start date, end date, as well as the category, address, and for the bank name and salary, I already changed this one and removed them with the latest export. So if we take a look, for example, in the teacher or senior teacher, and we click on export, once we open it, we can see here that we only have the specific number of column. Okay, I think that's all for my end for now for this one. Thank you.